Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with OnStar and Chevrolet Connect emergency communication system, preferred equipment group 1LS, roof-mounted luggage rack and side rails, premium cloth seat trim, premium audio system, third row seating, premium smooth ride suspension package, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear view camera, black assist steps, and much more. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.